Welcome to clickmyproject.com. The title is KNN Query Processing Method in Mobile ADAC Network. Go to abstract. In our project, focus on routing protocol to support communications among mobile nodes connected to each other by one hop to multiple hop links. Our KNN method both reduce the traffic required for processing KNN queries, and it achieves both reductions in traffic and accuracy of the query results. And it performs maintain-free ternary-based approach called KNN query processing. In this process, we adopt two different approaches: the EXP method and SPI method. EXP means exponentials method, and SPI method is spiral method. And then, in the EXP method, the nearest node from the query point floats the query to nodes within a specific circular regions, and each node receiving the query replies with information on itself. In the SPI method, the nearest node from the query points forward the query to other nodes in a spiral manner, and the node that collect a satisfactory KNN results transmit the results to the query issuing nodes. This is data flow diagrams, and level 0, level 1, level 2. Level 1 is start with user. User create the IP address for root and subnodes, and node also creations and analyzes the node, enter the some query details, and calculating the overall distance for each nodes. And by the distance calculated by using georouting methods, and finding the nearest neighboring node. This node is applied to SPI method and EXP method. SPI method means circle to circle formations, EXP method means node to node formations. And level 2 is data values are randomly generated using greedy algorithm. Greedy algorithm is used to overcome the traffic. Finally, calculate the equations by using forwarding query algorithm. And finally, finding the accuracy for EXP method and SPI method, and then integrations of ESKNN method. Let us see the demo and go. User create the node for root node, create the IP address 192.168.1.2, and user give any username and password. Username is KNN, password is 123, and create this IP address and go to next and create the 4 nodes. Click the get connections. Source node is 9, 10, 11, destination node is 12. Click source node is 9, okay, destination node is 12, I give 12, and okay, and go to next. Calculate this distance, show value by using georouting method. I will create the 9 to 12 nodes, create this nodes and calculate this distance, and go to next. And SPI method, SPI method and EXP method, ESKNN method. SPI method means circle to circle formations, EXP method means node to node formations, ESKNN means integrations of SPI and KNN method. And go to SPI method, browse for node, and select this hi.text. This message is hi, and enter the circle 1 or circle 2. I give circle 1 and circle 2, and select the circle 2, and go to next. Data sent to nearest node by using spiral method. Enter the circle 2, I give circle 2, okay, and click the sending. The data can be sent to circle 2, and go to path. Click the EXP method. EXP means exponentials method. Enter the node, I give 3, and search 3 neighboring node is 4, and enter the query 25, and the same circles I will choose, and circle 2. Circle 2 source node is A, and destination is 5. Select this 5 and go to next to apply the exponential method and search the query. Already I give the query to 25 and search the query 25 and searching for data. Selected your data and I select the same file hi.txt and another file, and you will choose select this same file hi.txt. Open. Sending from source to destinations. These files can be sent to source and destinations and go to next. This is also loading process. Reduce the traffic by using greedy algorithm. These values can be randomly generated for given particular data. And click to node B and time will be changed. Time to change this to process, and this is automatically created for generations. And all subnode is 1 4 something values and data value is key aggregation successful. And enter the circle. Already I give to circle 2 and destination means 5. Go to path, sending successful. Source node is A, destination node is 5, and just I give query details, product ID, model, and sending path and traffic range. Circle node is source node is A, destination node is 5, and sending path is 8 to 2 and 1 and then 3 and 5. The link is, and another one node is A 2 1 5 and both, and go to next. Destination node is 5 and view data. One data can be sent to source to destinations and go to next. And finally go to expknn method. Expknn method is also a integration process of exp method and spa method. Enter the previous IP. Already I create 192.168.1.2 and username I give 1knn. Password is 123. Successful creations. Go to next. And integrations of circle 2 and exp method data is high and sp method is high and path is circle 2. Circle 2 means A to 5 nodes. Circle 1 means A to 4 nodes. Go to next. And exp and spa method using forwarding query algorithm. Forwarding a knn query and returning the results, and exp method and spa method. R by t value is 2 and a by r plus t value is 7 and a divided by r plus b value is 7 and 1 minus this values 1 minus 7 minus 6 and total value is to this equations. Wt is equal to beta r divided by t into 1 minus a divided by r plus b. R by t value is 2 multiple total value is 1 minus by r plus b. This value is minus 6. 2 minus 6 are minus 12. And graph is response time and accuracy. Accuracy is this graph. Accuracy of query results, and x-axis is results number of knn. Red color is exp method and spa method, diknn method, and yellow is navy. And go to exp method. Response time in exp method and response time in xpa method. Thank you.